Ever wondered how to rake in significant cash on YouTube while being immersed with peace? Today, we're diving into the steps of generating substantial revenue through meditation videos. Stick around as we have a mystery tool in the arsenal that will help you in the YouTube content creation process. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be updated on our Pivot Online strategies. Step number 1. Research and planning. In the realm of YouTube success, the first pivotal step towards creating a lucrative meditation channel without revealing your face involves thorough research and strategic planning. Dive into the YouTube cosmos armed with tools like vidIQ, enabling a profound exploration of thriving meditation channels. This software serves as a treasure trove, offering insights into prevailing trends and popular video topics. Utilize vidIQ to dissect the anatomy of successful channels, delving into their analytics and uncovering the beating heart of their viewership. Unravel the mysteries of what makes certain videos stand out, glancing into their views per hour metrics to discern the content that resonates most with audiences. Amassing a reservoir of at least 30 potent video ideas becomes your beacon through this labyrinth. Conduct a meticulous analysis of trending videos, dissecting their themes, tonality, and resonance. Precision is key. Compare potential titles and craft captivating phrases while ensuring they remain under the 70-character threshold for optimal visibility on YouTube. Step number 2. Script writing. In the realm of crafting captivating and transformative meditation content for your YouTube channel, the script writing phase reigns supreme. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence through tools like ChatGPT serves as a guiding light in this creative endeavor. Begin this journey by entrusting ChatGPT to weave together a comprehensive script with 4,000 words. This script, equivalent to approximately 20 minutes of meditative narration, forms the soul of your video content. Through AI's creative prowess, embark on a voyage into the depths of serene guidance, scripting narratives that gently guide viewers into realms of deep relaxation and self-discovery. However, remember that while AI lays the groundwork, your essence and channel's identity must infuse this script. Unveil your unique voice by meticulously customizing and editing the AI-generated narrative. Infuse it with nuances that echo your channel's style, fostering a genuine connection with your audience. Amend phrases, add personal touches, and craft a narrative that not only speaks to viewers but also resonates authentically with your channel's ethos. Step number 3. Recording and voice editing. Harness the convenience of modern technology by initiating the recording process using a readily available device such as a smartphone or any audio recording tool at your disposal. Position yourself in a serene space conducive to capturing pristine audio, ensuring minimal background noise and optimal tranquility. Once your narration resonates through the airwaves, it's time to refine it further. Enter the realm of audio editing through tools like Veed, embracing its arsenal of features tailor-made for refining and polishing your recorded voiceover. Seamlessly navigate to the audio editing section, where a plethora of options awaits your touch. Dive into the realm of volume adjustments, ensuring your narration maintains a harmonious balance throughout the meditation. Elevate your voice's clarity and purity by employing Veed's tools to clean up the audio, meticulously tidying lengthy pauses or minor imperfections that might disrupt the serene flow of your meditation. Step number 4. Mystery Tool Reveal. As you journey into the realm of video creation, you'll need a friend that can craft those videos for you with class. In this matter, Veed emerges as your trusted ally, merging the serenity of your narrated meditation with visually captivating elements. Seamlessly transform your recorded voiceover into a visual masterpiece through Veed's intuitive interface. Initiate the creative process by uploading your meticulously crafted voiceover onto Veed's user-friendly timeline. As your narrative becomes the cornerstone, Veed stands ready to complement it with a rich tapestry of visual content. Unlock the treasure trove of Veed's stock footage library, carefully selecting scenes that harmonize with your meditation script's essence. Seamlessly weave these visuals into your timeline, ensuring a seamless flow that resonates with the meditative journey you're guiding your viewers through. Elevate the sensory experience by incorporating meditation-themed music from Veed's audio library. Adjust the volume to achieve a harmonious blend between the tranquil soundtrack and your soothing narration, creating an immersive auditory landscape that complements the visuals. Veed's toolkit extends beyond mere visuals and audio, offering functionalities to enhance viewer engagement. Harness the power of subtitles, transitions, and additional elements such as sound waves to further enrich your meditation video. Embrace subtitles for accessibility and heightened engagement, ensuring every viewer can connect deeply with your narrative. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Step number 5. Optimization on YouTube. Embarking on the journey of YouTube upload and optimization for your meditation videos demands strategic planning and meticulous attention to detail. To amplify your channel's visibility and resonance, a structured approach is imperative. Commence by setting a regular upload schedule, aiming for a frequency of 3 to 5 videos per week, ideally on specific days. Consistency in your posting regimen not only fosters audience expectations, but also bolsters your channel's credibility and visibility within YouTube's algorithm. Consistent uploads signal dedication and reliability to your audience, fostering engagement and loyalty over time. Accompanying your videos, craft eye-catching thumbnails using platforms like Snappa. These thumbnails act as visual magnets, attracting potential viewers and enticing them to explore your content further. Engaging, vibrant thumbnails aligned with the video content entice clicks and enhance the likelihood of viewers engaging with your meditation videos. While optimizing your videos for monetization, prioritize the viewer's experience within the meditative flow. Given the nature of meditation content, consider tailoring monetization settings to ensure a seamless, uninterrupted experience for your audience. Avoid placing ads in the midst of meditative sessions to preserve the tranquility and focus of your viewers. Instead, consider strategic placement of ads at the beginning or end of your videos, leveraging pre-roll or post-roll ad formats, allowing you to monetize while respecting the meditation's serene ambiance. Step number 6. Content volume and consistency. The journey to a successful YouTube meditation channel revolves around persistence, consistency, and the accumulation of a substantial content library. Aim to create a repository of 30 to 60 meditation videos, persistently nurturing your channel even in the face of initial low viewership. Patience and perseverance are key virtues in this journey. Often channels take time to gain traction and find their audience. While striving for content volume, it's essential to prioritize quality and authenticity. Craft each meditation video with care and intention, ensuring that it resonates with your audience. Though the initial few videos might not yield significant views, every video serves as a seed for future growth, contributing to your channel's content bank and potential revenue stream. In the context of monetizing meditation videos, consider your audience's meditative experience when strategically placing ads. It's prudent to disable mid-video ads to preserve the uninterrupted tranquility of the meditation sessions. Instead, opt for pre-roll and post-roll ad placements, respecting the sanctity of the meditative journey while capitalizing on ad monetization opportunities. Step number 7. Monetization and growth. In the pursuit of channel monetization on YouTube, meeting the platform's benchmarks of 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers remains a pivotal goal. Fostering organic growth through consistent uploads and engaging content creation is fundamental in achieving these milestones. Therefore, focus on producing original, captivating content that resonates with your audience and aligns with YouTube's policies. While striving for growth, it's crucial to steer clear of infringing upon others' monetization opportunities. In the meditation niche, authenticity and originality are essential. Ensure your content is unique and not simply a replication of existing material to avoid complications with copyright and channel monetization. Upholding ethical practices and respecting other creators' content boundaries is paramount for sustained growth and a positive channel reputation. Diversifying your content approach and exploring various niches and strategies can also foster channel growth and monetization. Experimenting with different meditation themes, incorporating varying meditation techniques, or exploring related niches like mindfulness, relaxation, or self-care could expand your channel's appeal. Additionally, engaging with your audience, responding to feedback, and staying abreast of trending topics within the meditation realm can aid in enhancing your content strategy for growth. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.